Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we test, talk, and tell the truth about the gadgets and gear that make your tech life better. Today, we're diving into something every Meta Quest 2 owner should consider. The VicRole 2-pack OEM replacement hand straps with 2 pairs of thumb grip caps. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, you're getting 2 replacement wrist straps and 2 pairs of thumb grip caps. And while this may sound like a simple accessory, the value it brings to your VR experience is actually pretty huge. Now, first impressions. The straps feel lightweight, coming in at just 20 grams, but they don't feel cheap at all. The stitching is neat, and the material is soft but seems durable. That's exactly what you want when something's going to be tied to your wrist for hours during intense gameplay. Installation is a breeze. No tools, no complicated setups. Just unclip your old ones and slide these in. They snap on securely, and within seconds, you're good to go. It's plug-and-play, VR style. One of the standout features is the comfort. VicRole clearly paid attention to long gaming sessions. These straps are soft, breathable, and fully adjustable. Whether you've got small wrists or larger hands, they stay snug without being restrictive. After about 2 hours in Beat Saber, I barely noticed them, and that says a lot. Now, let's talk grip. We've all had those moments where a controller nearly flies across the room. Not anymore. These straps keep your Quest 2 controllers locked in. You can swing, twist, punch, and they stay right where they should be. The added bonus? The thumb grip caps. These fit tightly on the joystick tops and offer extra traction, especially if your hands get sweaty. They also help reduce wear and tear on your thumbsticks, so over time, your controllers stay in better shape. Quick heads up. These are specifically made for the Meta Quest 2. If you're rocking a different headset, like the Quest 3 or other VR systems, these won't fit. So make sure you've got the right setup before grabbing these. One more thing. VicRole offers 24/7 customer support. That's pretty rare for accessory makers at this price point. It gives a little extra peace of mind that if something goes wrong, they've got your back. So, is this worth the buy? Absolutely. For under the price of lunch, you're getting upgraded comfort, added controller security, and protection for your gear. It's a small change that seriously enhances your VR setup. If you're playing hard and don't want to worry about flying controllers or worn-out joysticks, the VicRole hand straps and thumb caps are a smart pickup. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if there's a VR accessory you want us to test next. This is Product Critique. See you in the next one.